Today I am reviewing Liene M100 4x6 portable photo. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Liene M100 4x6 photo printer is one of the most impressive portable printers on the market right now, combining convenience, portability, and high-quality printing in a sleek, compact design. This device is specifically built for people who love capturing moments and want them instantly in their hands, without the need for professional printing services or bulky equipment. Whether you're a hobbyist photographer, a parent capturing precious family moments, or someone who loves scrapbooking, the Liene M100 delivers a seamless and beautiful printing experience. What makes this printer stand out is the complete package it offers right from the box. Unlike many portable printers that require separate purchases before use, the Liene M100 comes with everything you need. Inside the box, you'll find the printer itself, 3 cartridges, and 100 sheets of glossy photo paper. These materials are fully sealed to prevent dust and ensure that the first print you make is as crisp and clean as possible. This thoughtful approach means you can start printing right away, without having to worry about ordering extra supplies first. At the heart of the M100's appeal is its thermal dye sublimation printing technology. This isn't your average printer. Dye sublimation allows for deeper color saturation, sharper details, and smoother gradients. This results in prints that look far more professional than typical portable printer outputs. Moreover, each print is laminated, giving it a durable finish that resists water, scratches, fingerprints, and fading over time. So whether you're printing vacation photos, family portraits, or creative projects, they will remain vivid and protected for years. Another key feature is portability and ease of use. The M100 is small, minimalist in design, and lightweight, making it perfect for carrying to events, trips, or simply moving around your home. It connects via Wi-Fi, and even better, it has a built-in hotspot, which means you don't need an external network to connect your device. Simply connect your smartphone or tablet to the printer directly, and you're ready to start printing. Speaking of connectivity, the Liene M100 works with a wide range of devices. It supports iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac, and can handle up to 5 device connections simultaneously. This means family members or friends can print directly to the device without complicated setups, which is ideal for events or gatherings where multiple people want to print memories instantly. The Liene M100 also comes with its own dedicated app, adding a layer of creative flexibility to your printing experience. Through the Liene app, you can add filters, adjust brightness, tweak contrast, and even add custom borders to your images before printing. You can also print ID and Visa photos from home, a feature that can save you a trip to a photo studio. This customization ensures that each print is uniquely yours. Performance is another area where the M100 shines. While it's not designed for high-speed bulk printing, it produces a vibrant, sharp 4x6 print in about a minute, which is ideal for personal use, parties, events, and creative projects. The borderless printing feature gives a professional touch to every photo, and the quality rivals what you might expect from much larger, more expensive machines. The Liene M100 is also built to last. The sturdy construction and thoughtful design show that it's not just about portability, but also durability. The printer is compact enough to fit on a small desk or shelf, yet strong enough to be taken anywhere without worry. In terms of uses, the possibilities are endless. It's perfect for printing travel photos, creating physical scrapbooks, making gifts for friends and family, or producing tangible keepsakes from everyday moments. It's also a great tool for creative projects, school work, or even small businesses that require quick and attractive photo printing. With thousands of positive reviews and a strong reputation as a top desktop photo printer, the Liene M100 has earned its place as a leader in portable printing technology. It stands out not just for its performance, but for the complete package it offers, from convenience to quality, to creative options. If you value high-quality, portable, and hassle-free photo printing, the Liene M100 is an investment worth making. It transforms your phone photos into physical memories in seconds, making it more than just a printer. It's a device that brings your moments to life. In the end, the Liene M100 isn't just about printing photos. It's about preserving memories, making moments tangible, and doing it with style and ease. Whether for personal use or sharing with loved ones, this little printer packs a powerful punch, and it's ready to go wherever life takes you.